Prosecutors should wrap up presenting evidence against Barry Morphew this afternoon. He is the Chaffee County man accused of killing his wife, Suzanne Morphew, in 2020. Her body has never been found. Prosecutors have spent 4 days trying to convince a judge he should stand trial. Mountain Newsroom reporter Jamie Leary joins us now from Salida. And Jamie, lots of national interest in this case.
There's a lot of interest, so much so that we're at the Chaffee County Fairgrounds right now. This is an overflow space for the media and members of the public. They could fit about 100 people in here. Right now, there have been about a dozen, and we're taking the noon lunch break. I did hear one woman say that she came all the way from Dallas to listen to what was being said. Another member of the public said he came from New Mexico. This morning, the defense team cross-examined former FBI agent Jonathan Grusin. Now, Grusin said in surveillance from Morphew's hotel in Broomfield, it didn't appear that he was carrying a body. He said decomposition dogs were even looking for signs of human remains. They did a search of his truck and didn't detect anything. We heard from new witnesses today as well. One was a sheriff's deputy who stated that while there were empty tranquilizer darts in Barry Morphew's gun safe, it appeared to him the gun not only hadn't been used in some time, but that dart gun didn't work. Another witness called by the defense team, Colorado Bureau of Investigations agent Joseph Cahill, testified, according to reports from scientists, there was unknown male DNA collected from the handlebars and brakes of Suzanne's bike in the back seat of her Range Rover and the glove box. There were actually 3 partial DNA profiles returned from the glove box of her car, all from men, all tied to unsolved sexual assault cases. They focused on one case in particular from Tempe, Arizona. The defense team started to question just how much work investigators actually did to pursue this lead. Now, there is so much information from such a long period of time. It's actually been very difficult for prosecution and defense to get answers from these agents because they just can't remember because of all the information and the time that it's been spread out. So I anticipate that this is going to go up until the very last minute that they have available today, right up until 5 o'clock. And of course, we'll continue to follow the story. Live from Chaffee County, Jamie Leary, CBS 4 Mountain Newsroom.
Now to the latest on the coronavirus pandemic and the